Good evening everyone from Alba Building Materials LLC. Today category Mart automatic pressure controller. It's automatic pressure controllers features automatic start and stop the plumb on tap open close. Recharge water harm effect. Simple control to maintain constant pressure during operation. Dry running protection to project motor extra farm life. In other to avoid the farm on off pressure high low problems. Subtle to install all brand of. The automatic pressure controller has parameters rate voltage 220 240 and max power 1.1 1.5 kW, max current 10 A. So controller rating 1, high SP 45. Happy everyone, thank you so much.